In this Animaxime V2 review, I'm going to show you how you can create unlimited explainer and ad promotions in any niche without using a complicated software in just minutes. And make sure you stay until the end of this review, as I'm also going to show you all the different OTOs and upgrades so you know exactly what you're getting into if you decide to purchase. If you're new to my channel, my name is Mike Thomas. I'm a 7-figure affiliate marketer. I do these reviews every single day so that you can get the best deals in upcoming software and courses. If at any point during this review you want to check out Animaxime V2, just go ahead and click that link below. Also, please like this video. It really helps out with my YouTube channel and I appreciate it. And make sure you hit that subscribe button and bell notification. Last thing before we jump in here, I just want to show you my bonus page. I've got a ton of extra bonuses here, including some resale rights to some stuff here. All these are going to be available for you right inside of JVZoo after you purchase through my link. Okay, let's take a look at the sales page here together. It says, stop wasting time, energy, and paying huge fees to create one explainer video. Get unlimited explainer and ad promo videos for any niche business in just minutes. Essentially what this is, these are done for you animation templates that you can edit using the power of PowerPoint. So you don't have to have a complicated software. You just put it in PowerPoint. You can edit all these different videos in there, all these different files, create your own unique videos. You have unlimited access. You can, it says, save your time to create your own online business suitable for all online professions such as entrepreneurs, marketers, etc. It essentially just makes your video creation easier, again, without complicated tools. You can use a tool. Most people have used PowerPoint before, and if you haven't, it's very easy to use. Essentially, step one, you choose your template. Step two, you customize, mix and match, and then you export and you render your video. And you can save it in 4K, high definition, however you want to create your videos as. Now, they have tons of different animation characters that you can add into this. There's some examples right on the sales page, so you can actually see it. They have explainer video templates here. You can actually see some of these if you click over and check out the sales page. Of course, I'll have a link for that below. Single character animations that you can access, contact us animations, title animations, all these different things. Of course, you can see that all on the sales page once you hit that. Now, you can see here what you're going to get here. It's an agency commercial license. So not only can you create these for yourself, but you can also create them for others. And it is a one-time price for this. And of course, you will want to use that on PowerPoint. Now, there's something here that kind of stood out to me. If you are a Mac user, it doesn't work with Keynote. So you want to make sure that you use PowerPoint with this, and your license allows you to use this for unlimited use for yourself or for your clients as well. So that's all included there. Okay, so what I'm going to do now is play you a quick video explaining this a little bit more. Then I'm going to come back and show you the upgrades.
Do you want to build trust with your customers or run a promotion in minutes? You're right to be here. More than 94% of marketers agree that videos have helped increase user understanding of their product or service. You need explainer videos to tell your audience that your business is one of the best and most profitable. You can attract the attention of viewers to increase your profits. Video explainers are all about making complex ideas or good concepts for your audience to understand. It's a popular way to retrieve brand information. 96% of people have watched a dedicated explainer video to learn more about a product or service. And more people say they want to learn more about a new product or service from video than text-based articles. Many business models are successful with their story of video explainers. Yes, this is your time to make unlimited explainer video animations. Many entrepreneurs like you need the largest source of traffic to get potential customers in the world by using stories in the explainer video. But the problem is, not everyone can make high-quality explainer videos. Now, what if you could create high-quality explainer videos as quickly as a professional without having the skills? Stop thinking about everything. Let's get more traffic and profit for your business. No more creating from scratch. No more stress. No more wasting time. No more complicated software. Create short, engaging explainer videos that people watch until the end to get more attention, traffic, and sales than any of your competitors. Introducing Animaxime Volume 2. All-in-one creative tool to create unlimited explainer videos like a pro in minutes and grow your business faster than ever before. You can also mix and match templates to make your video unique, and only you have it. And you you can use animated character sets for all your favorite video software without paying professional animators. Animaxime V2 comes with all the tools you need to maximize the quality of video animation, video explainer, and more video projects. With Animaxime V2, you can create engaging videos to force viewers to watch your video to the end and turn it into a buyer. You can steal more of your customers' attention, leave your competitors with your trademark, and create big animation studio to make more profits. Just 3 simple steps using Animaxime V2 to create unlimited explainer videos in minutes. Yes, unlimited! Just choose the template on Animaxime V2, edit as you wish, and render it. Your explainer videos are all ready to post. It's simple and fast, right? 100% newbie friendly. No technical experience is needed. And also, you can mix and match all animations. It's so easy to create your unique video promotions like a pro on social media every time. Check out our templates. Module number 1, animated characters. Module number 2, explainer video templates. Module number 3, group character animations. Module number 4, single character animations. Module number 5, testimonial animations. Module number 6, contact us animations. Module number 7, title animations. Module number 8, point to-do list animations. Module number 9, social media icon animations. Module number 10, landmark animations. Module number 11, price list animations. Module number 12, background animations. Module number 13, custom transitions. Module number 14, story promo animations. Module number 15, banner promotions. You only need PowerPoint to make your best story on your video. With Animaxime V2, your video will be unique because you are the one who created it yourself, not like most template videos. No skills are required, no plugin, and no need to buy extra assets. Now, stop wasting your time and money trying to create unlimited animation videos for your business. Animaxime Animaxime Volume 2 helps you save countless hours and thousands of dollars on your business without much effort. What are you waiting for? Buy now and get a special price. Early bird price Animaxime Volume 2 will end in a few hours. You only need to click the button below and download Animaxime Volume 2 with special discount price.
Okay, so we're back. So the first upgrade you're going to see, it looks like a pro package here. You can get more video templates with resale rights included. You get just a ton more templates here so that you have even more stuff to go. It says 350 more animation characters. What do you have here? You got more testimonial animations here. As you go down the page here, contact us animations, all these different things. You just get a ton more of them added into your package. Of course, it's an optional upgrade for this one here. Now, the next one that you're going to see is it says get the most powerful high converting 280 plus animation template series in one place. You get a bunch more templates. Again, this is just more stuff that you can add into your toolkit. And this one right here looks like it's around $47, of course, depending upon when you get to the page. And the last one here, it's a big bundle of a bunch of products that you can get. So you can get even more different things for your toolkit here. And this one looks like it's around $69 for this one. Now, all these OTOs are optional. Pick and choose the ones that you want and forget the ones that you don't. Okay, so what do I like about Animaxime V2 and what don't I like about it? If I had to say something that I don't like about this, if you are looking for a fancy software that's going to allow you to create a bunch of videos, this isn't it. These are assets that you can use for your video creation needs. This isn't a software. What do I like about this? I think this is great for people that don't want to learn a new software. If you're someone that's already familiar with PowerPoint, you just want to create videos and you want to use them for yourself or sell as a service, then check this out. Thank you so much for checking out my review today. If you want to take a look at Animaxime V2, just go ahead and click that link below. Also, please like this video. It really helps out my YouTube channel and I appreciate it. And make sure you hit that subscribe button and bell notification. As always, thank you so much for watching and I'll see you again in my next review video. Thanks.